Welcome to TechGen, where we explore the latest technology, innovative gadgets, and smart buying guides to help you make informed tech decisions. If you're looking for an affordable way to speed up your laptop, desktop, or PlayStation 4, you've probably come across the Gigastone 1TB SATA III SSD. But is it actually worth your money? How does it perform in everyday use? What makes it stand out from other budget SATA SSDs? Who is it designed for? And could this be one of the best value SSD upgrades for older systems? I've added a link below where you can check the latest price, current offers, and availability. The Gigastone 1TB SSD uses the standard 2.5-inch SATA 3 interface, making it compatible with a wide range of laptops, desktop PCs, and the PlayStation 4. While SATA SSDs aren't as fast as modern NVMe drives, they're still dramatically faster than traditional hard disk drives. With read speeds of up to 530 megabytes per second, you'll notice quicker boot times, faster application launches, and much shorter game loading screens compared to an HDD. One of the biggest advantages is the 1 terabyte storage capacity. That's enough space for your operating system, everyday software, hundreds of photos, videos, documents, and a large library of games. For PS4 owners, upgrading from a mechanical hard drive to an SSD can significantly improve loading times and make navigating the system feel much more responsive. The drive also features 3D NAND flash memory along with an SLC cache, helping maintain consistent performance during everyday tasks. In real-world use, this means copying files, installing games, editing documents, and transferring media all feel much smoother. Whether you're upgrading an older laptop for school, giving new life to a desktop PC, or improving your gaming console, the difference in responsiveness is immediately noticeable. If you're enjoying this review so far, consider giving the video a quick like. It really helps support the channel. Another major benefit is its broad compatibility. Because it uses the standard 2.5-inch SATA form factor, installation is simple in most systems that already use a SATA hard drive. It's an excellent upgrade for older computers that don't support NVMe storage, allowing you to improve performance without replacing the entire machine. The SSD is also designed to be more durable than traditional hard drives since it contains no moving parts. That means better resistance to bumps and vibration, quieter operation, lower power consumption, and less heat generation. Laptop users may even notice slightly improved battery life compared to older mechanical drives because SSDs consume less energy during everyday use. Compared with similarly priced SATA SSDs from Crucial, Kingston, WD, and Team Group, the Gigastone 1TB SSD offers an excellent balance of storage capacity, dependable performance, and affordability. Rather than simply giving you more storage, it helps transform the overall speed and responsiveness of your computer or gaming console, making everyday tasks feel much smoother. If you're searching for an affordable SSD upgrade for a laptop, desktop, or PlayStation 4, the Gigastone 1TB SATA SSD is definitely worth considering. With solid performance, generous storage, and wide compatibility, it's a practical upgrade that delivers a noticeable improvement to almost any older system. Thanks for watching TechGen. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. See you in the next video.